Well, good morning, everybody. It's a glorious day here in northern North Carolina, and today we are embarking on this journey to go out and find some great relics at a spot that we've been to plenty of times before, and it's give up some pretty good relics. So I got Chris and Josh over there joining us today, and we're gonna get out here and we're gonna do what we can to find some good stuff. So y'all join us, all you happy hunters, and get your detectors, your shovels, your pro pointers, and let's go digging in this lonely world through the briars and brambles and the hills and the dales and the fields and the pastures, and let's see what we can find. Come on, let's go. All right, got a little thimble here. It is very little, and I mean little thimble, I mean little thimble. Probably about half the size of a normal size thimble. I imagine it was probably a child's thimble, maybe. I like finding thimbles here, especially in an old colonial site. And this one's pretty old too. Look how little that is. About as big as my thumbnail. Or maybe smaller. Let's go get some more. Well, Josh has done it again with the large scent. So what, about 6-1 you found this year?
I've been on a roll.
Yeah.
Just talking about that.
One every time.
Wow.
Another matron head.
Cool.
It's down about, what, 6 inches?
Yeah.
What did it ring up there?
85.
85 to 88. Yeah.
Cool.
Nice.
What
It was
bud?
good.
You order, man? If we can get a date off of it, I'll show it to you.
Yeah. I'm going to get one now.
It's my turn too. I ain't.
Come over here and bottom feed us.
Oh yeah.
You know, it never fails.
That's the way it
You find
goes.
something good, Chuck shows up, next thing you know, he's hunting right next to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, you know, I like finding good stuff too.
Find good stuff.
Chuck need love too. All right, just dug a nice little brass buckle. Little square brass buckle. It was right on top of the ground. Didn't even have to dig much. There's a nice little, I don't know if you can see it or not. See the white in the middle of the screen? That's a old cemetery. I believe it's a church cemetery, or there's too many different names on it. Unless it's some kind of community cemetery. But they go back pretty far. Early 1800s. And I found this right here. Josh found a large scent right over there. Oh, a little nice little place. Going to probably give it another 30-45 minutes and then call it quits. It's starting to rain, and supposed to start snowing here in a little while, and we're gonna give it a little bit more. All right, we'll be back hopefully. Josh just hollered he's got something that I might want to film over here, so let's go see what it is. All right. You know, Josh, he ain't gonna holler unless it's something good. Let's see. What you got? Oh man, skeleton key.
Big one.
My daughter would flip. She collects these. Nice.
I think that's one of the only whole ones I've ever found.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yep.
Look how thick it is right there where it goes into the lock. You reckon there's a church here?
No.
You don't think there's a church?
Family goes on.
Oh, I just seen, when I looked through it, I seen different names.
Yeah, later.
Oh.
Everybody in there died in the 1850s.
Yeah.
Something happened.
Yeah. It was early. Maybe some kind of flu epidemic or something. Wow, that's awesome, Josh.
Yeah, thanks.
Be right back, hopefully. Pretty neat little thing here I found. It's a little rectangular piece. Got some designs on it. Don't really know what it is. See how that goes? I have no idea. That's pretty cool though. don't know if it's some kind of drawer sketching or what. But I'll take it. Looks good. Let's go get some more. Josh got a nickel. You know what nickels were? That thing's worth?
A nickel.
5 cents. That's neat.
That is neat. Is that what you just dug?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's got some kind of design on it. I don't know if it's a drawer sketching or something.
What's Josh carving on there? A nickel?
A nickel. Oh, those are sashes.
1900.
Come on, focus.
In pretty good shape.
Yeah, if you can get a date off of that easy, it is.
Yeah. Well, they're good at getting dates off of them when they're wet.
Huh?
So they're good at getting dates when they're wet. Nice. Very good, Josh.
Thank you.
What you dug?
I've got a goose egg.
A goose egg? Well, you know what those make?
Sometimes they dig stuff and it just doesn't show it to us.
I think so too. Chris just asked me if I want to come do a live dig, so we're gonna go over here to him. He's said it's jumping in between 78 and 82. That's a wheat penny all day long. Wheat penny.
Could be.
Okay, go ahead.
So Josh started coming over here when I called for a live dig, so I know I'm doomed.
Oh.
He came over here to make fun of me.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, our first live dig of the day. We are going to see what he's got.
Not that good. 78 to 82, so it's
78.
jumping around a little bit.
That could be a mercury dime.
That's what that key ring up on.
Yeah. Having such a hard time digging in this stuff, it might be half of something.
I know those roots are terrible.
They are. They knocked it down in the hole. Can't hear it now.
Hate it when that happens.
Not a good sign either.
Step on your plug.
Oh, it's good.
Oh, okay.
It's there. I don't know if it's good. Oh, it's garbage. Yeah.
Okay.
Man, that is nice.
Yeah, isn't that nice?
That is.
Yeah.
Shoot. Dadgum, I wish I had 2 of those.
Yeah. Well, you can have this one.
Well, I don't like to take other people's treasures.
Yeah.
All right, let's go back over here. Well, it's probably going to be the last dig of the day. But it ain't a bad one. Nice little toe tap. Dig it right there. Wasn't deep at all. Nice. All right. Probably going to do a little wrap up when I get back to the truck. It's getting dark. It's raining. I'm wet. I'm miserable. It's time to go. Well, it's time to go. All right. We'll see you at the truck.